Hi there, Melody from WTI.
If you want your beach day to be even that much more relaxing, you really need to get yourself one of these AMMSUN Beach Shade Tent. They are so portable, easy to use, easy, quick setup, comes with everything you need, and within minutes you are ready to start your beach day. It also provides 128 square feet of shade, making your beach day even that much better. And because it's wind driven, anywhere you set up on the beach is going to make sure it provides you with that shade. And at the end of the day, when you're ready to go home, this lightweight to this compact portable sunshade is easy to just take apart again. It all fits easily, including the little sand scoop all back into the little cinch bag that's included. It's not cumbersome. So why do I love this sunshade? Not only is it beautiful to look at, but it's compact, lightweight, wind-driven, and provides all the shade that anybody needs.
And that's my point of view.